In this tutorial, I'll guide you through modifying Microsoft Edge's language settings to fit your preferences. Open Microsoft Edge. Click the menu icon, 3 dots, in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Go to Languages on the left-hand side. Click Add Languages under the Preferred Languages section. Choose your language from the list and click Add. Rearrange languages. Click the 3-dot icon next to your preferred language and move it to the top. Set display language. Check Display Microsoft Edge in this language for your selected language. Restart Edge to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.